These are some of the, this is Jennifer F. Charles 12. And these are some of the snacks that I eat on Weight Watchers. The first thing is the Fiber One lemon bars. They're under the old program. They're about 1 point for one cake. And then the Campbell's Soup on the Go is 70 calories. It's about 1 point. And the raisins, I can't remember how many points that is. Then the Nature's Valley sweet and salty cashew bars, and the sunflower salted kernels, and the saltines. Sometimes I have those with the chili. And then I really like the mini bags of Smart Pops Orville Redenbacher. You don't have to measure out the popcorn. It's in a mini bag. I really like those. And then for breakfast, I have the single bags of Quaker's apples and cinnamon. And then there's another one I have. I have the mixed bag of Quaker's also, the different kinds. So this is what I have for snacks and breakfast. And this is what I have for the different snacks and different things. Okay. Comment, rate, and subscribe.